Today, the fastest PC builder will win a CPU, the AMD 5600G. That's like worth 300, 400 bucks. I essentially invited my viewers down to LIM Square to build a PC, where I then timed them and the fastest PC builder would win a AMD 5600G CPU. Simple challenge, right? Whoever wins has to say "Sue" really loudly across the mall. Before we get into the challenge proper, let's talk about the CPU because we need to know the price at stake here. This is the AMD 5600G, the top prize, the top gift, and it was sponsored by AMD, so my viewers could actually win something. It's a modern 6-core 12-thread processor based on AMD's excellent Zen 3 architecture. It's often called an APU because it's a CPU with a GPU built into it. This aren't your grandma's integrated graphics. These are real powerful Vega 7 GPU cores, which means you can actually game pretty well on the 5600G. This makes it excellent for the budget gamer who wants a all-in-one solution that's low power, low cost, and is still able to game properly. And it's also an excellent choice if you're looking for a placeholder CPU. Buy a 5600G, game a bunch now, and when you have more money for a more powerful AMD GPU, slam it in like the 6600 XT or 6700 XT, and you're upgraded. Because it's a 6-core 12-thread processor, fundamentally, it's going to do great in games even if you're not using the integrated graphics. So yeah, 5600G, very exciting price. Let's get on with it. Well, the question is, who wants to be the first challenger? Kid will be the first. The little kid whose parents is willing to buy him a 3080 Ti. I still can't afford a 3080 Ti.
I'm Andrea. It sounds like a girl's name, but I'm a guy.
I don't judge. Have you built a PC before?
Yes, I built my PC, which I built it quite recently. It was Alder Lake and I had a 12700K. Everything but no GPU, even an AIO.
So you've never installed a GPU before?
No, I haven't.
So actually this will be your first time?
Yeah, basically.
Shades of me from 6 years ago, except I wasn't shopping for 3080 Ti's when I was his age. I was shopping for R9 270. Do you know what the things you need to do for this challenge are?
Install the RAM, SSD, GPU, and wires.
Correct.
That's all.
Oh, you're really that competitive, huh? Okay, I like that, I like that. Go. Come on, go, just keep going.
Where's the screwdriver? Oh my gosh. This is really taking up too much time. How can I put this in?
It's more challenging than you thought, huh? You said it was sub-minute, right?
I would have already installed the cable before putting the motherboard in, so...
Who does that? Bro, you're a psychopath. You better not be eye crazy, Zay.
Oh no.
But you must screw it in.
Do you not screw in your GPU? If you had a 3080 Ti, will you not screw it in? Remember what I said? You need the manual. This is why you pay attention in class. It's there. Go.
Right, done.
Alright, time. 12 minutes. 25 seconds, 0.8. Hey look, your mom has no idea what's going on, but she's proud of you. Mom is always proud of you, don't worry. You have completed the PC challenge. How do you feel?
It was way harder than me building my actual computer. Because of the GPU.
I think it was the stress. It was the time stress. You did well. You did good. Alright, let me do a quick check to ensure that you actually did what you're supposed to. Your 8-pin is not in at all.
Oh wait, what? How
Yeah.
did it get out?
Well, I think it just never was in. I'll let it slide. I'll add 20 seconds to your time, to be fair. Thank you for taking part in this challenge. Challenger 2, please enter.
Hi everyone. I'm TK.
DK photo, yes.
Not the photo, but yeah.
Have you built a PC before?
Yes, I have.
Okay, just tell everyone how sweaty of a tryhard you are.
Very, because I have a friend who is building a PC to go overseas, so this would be perfect.
Well, at least you're sweaty for a noble cause. But this guy brought his own screwdriver kit. Look at that. Look at this guy. Look at this dude. His own iFixit screwdriver kit. So good luck. I hope you have fine fingers. Ready, set, go. Think about your friend. Is it a girl? Who's this friend? Tell me about this friend.
He's been with me since secondary school, so...
But they were talking about what if this viewer comes along with his girlfriend. And I was like, if a viewer came along and had a girlfriend, they were not my viewer. So,
What? That's so depressing. Oh no, it's different from what I saw.
you researched on... He better buy you dinner. He owes you lots. Whoever wins has to say "Sue" really loudly across the mall. Like Ronaldo. Whoa, he even has time to flex for the camera. Look at this. You're at 7 minutes 31. It's closer than you thought. You're not as fast as you thought. This is like Mr. Beast's Squid Games, but a lot lower cost. Time. So the time is 8 minutes 24 seconds. How do you feel, TK Photo?
Well, it could have been faster. I was a bit stuck and stressed. I think the front panel screwed me up the most.
Fastest time so far. You're in provisional pole position. Yeah, boy. Thank you for your participation,
Thank you.
TK.
Thank you.
We will call you back with the results. Good luck. Because the next challenger, look at his sandals. He's already Linus. Look at his sandals.
But there's no socks.
He's already Linus. Okay, so quick break from all this competition. Let's take a look at the PC they're actually building in, because this is part of their Viper PC line from VPCs. I bet you didn't know that, but VPCs is actually kind of a system integrator these days. They also build their own systems, and this is part of their Viper PC lineup. This has a 5600X and RX 6600 GPU, which is excellent for 1080p gaming. We got 16 gigs of Vengeance Pro RGB RAM. We got a B550 MAG motherboard in here, a 1TB M.2 NVMe SSD, an S12 Seasonic 550 watt power supply, and a TechWare Forge. And obviously this RGB is added by me, but this case itself, the fans and the RAM has RGB, so I'm not actually misleading you here, but it won't look exactly like this because this is my own light. Check it out. This rig will be excellent for 1080p gaming, be it AAA titles or esports titles. You'll have a great time with this particular PC. The thing is, if it's not enough performance for you, or you are on a tighter budget than what this PC is, you can actually head down to VPCs and configure your own rig and personalize it to your own budget, your own needs, and to your own desires. And on top of that, unlike the competitors today, you don't actually have to build your own PC when you buy a Viper PC because, well, they build it for you. They're highly trained, highly efficient PC builders in-house. So thank you, of course, VPCs for sponsoring this video. Do check out their Viper PCs. They're really quite good. You can head down to the store, buy a whole PC or buy a couple of parts. They are awesome, and thank you to them for loaning us the location so we can actually host this fun event for my viewers. It's got the sandals on. This is Linus Tech Tips, but Singaporean.
My name is Aiman, and I'll be using this screwdriver that I've been using for about 5 years building PCs. So yeah.
5 years building PCs. He's a lucky charm. His lucky screwdriver. It's muscle memory with this screwdriver. Do you want to extra magnetize this screwdriver? I bet you haven't seen this too before. I saw it. I just want to show it on camera. Look, check this out. So you put your screwdriver in here. You just flick it left and right. Magnetized screwdriver. How do you rate your chances of winning here? Confident?
Honestly, I'm just happy to participate. Happy to meet you also.
I'm on it, of course. But you think you can beat the time? I mean, the current top standing, 8 minutes, 24 seconds.
I think I have a chance. I have a chance.
Okay. He's a very positive guy. I like that. Go! He's already installed his motherboard power cable. CPU power cable's in. He's fast. What's your current PC though? I want to know.
It's a Ryzen 7 1700, 32 gigs of RAM. 1070.
Oh man, you're shaking. Okay, bro. Calm.
Okay, I'm coming.
What did he say?
There are children here. Alright.
I'm actually shaking very much. Okay, stop shaking.
Get the focus on this man's face. Poor TK. This man is quick. Ho.
Linus things,
Just Linus things, yeah. He is on track to become the world champion. You've been dethroned, and you need to buy your friend a CPU. Time! 6 minutes, 30 seconds. Wow. Even faster than the previous record by 1 minute and 55 seconds. You are currently the fastest. How do you feel?
Honestly, I could have done slightly better. I could have done 6 minutes because, you know, when I place in the RAM, it's like I put it in the wrong side, so I have to flip it and I put it in. And like the pins is also, yeah, kind of a hassle.
6 minutes, 30 seconds. That's the fastest so far. Let me do a quick check, make sure that there's nothing wrong with it. Yeah, your SSD in the... Oh, he even got the SSD heatsink on. Okay. Yeah, thanks for participating. So after making us wait a solid 1.5 hours, the 4th and 5th challengers have finally arrived. I'm not even kidding, they made all these people wait. Siraj, am I saying it right? Okay.
Yeah.
Siraj, how old are you?
I'm 14.
Okay, so I have a very young audience. Have you built a PC before? I want to ask that.
Yeah, I built a few.
A few. How many is a few?
3, 2 maybe. One for me, one for my brother, and one for my friend.
You remind me of me. That's cool. Are you ready? Ready?
Yep.
Steady. He's a disadvantage because he decided to be late. He couldn't see the other competitors build, so he couldn't like get some sort of like learning from them. So
MSI, you should put silk screen on everything.
just print it on the board, man. Easy peasy, smooth and steady.
So far so good.
So far so good. That's why he says okay.
Oh right, wrong way.
What do you think about Donda?
Who?
Damn. Stick it in. Get in there, Louis.
Get in there, Louis.
Nice and easy. So he's finally getting his back panel on. You're not last. At least that's what I can tell you. Time. 9 minutes 39 seconds.
Longer than expected, but I guess that works.
So, Suraj, how are you feeling?
It was a good run, made a few mistakes trying to find the USB header. But yeah, other than that, it's fine. That was quick from me compared to most of my other runs, so yeah.
Where do you think on the leaderboard of the 4 people who have tried so far do you place?
third, maybe fourth.
Oh wait, you're third. Because the little kid is last, unfortunately.
It's alright.
Yeah, he was the first to do it. Gonna get a 3080 Ti. He doesn't need a 5600G. Come on. Where do you think you messed up the most? Like, which was the hardest part of the whole build?
Firstly, the USB 3.0 and then the GPU bracket. That one I messed up big time.
For your participation, thank you for showing up. We've got the last challenger, which is your friend.
Yep.
That's kind of cheating. You're kind of rigging. Is your friend fast?
He's only built his PC before, so I'm not sure. With my help.
Oh man, good luck. Alright, so let's have an interview with the it's the penultimate challenger. The last one actually. What do you think? You know, how you feeling your odds are?
Oh wait, I'm feeling confident. The last guy should try his best. That's all I can see. Yeah.
So you think you're gonna win this or you're not?
Far, I'm pretty not to brag or anything, but I feel confident.
Yeah, I mean you got a 6-minute 25-second timing. I mean that's 2 minutes faster than the next guy who is CK right here. Like
I also hit my own PB, so
probably a personal best. That's right. Yeah, for sure.
Okay,
Okay, excited. Good luck. He's such a good sportsman. So how do you feel your chances are right now? Bad.
Yeah.
I mean, you're the underdog here. But the underdog always has the chance to upset, and the upsets are always sweet. You've only built one PC ever.
But he helped connect all the
Yeah,
cables.
it was last month, I believe.
I'm going to give you a slight little advantage, not a big one. Okay, you get one lifeline from him. Like I'll be there to help most of the time, but if you're really desperate for something you absolutely cannot figure out, gets to plug in one one screw, one cable, something, one thing. That's your one lifeline. Let's keep it semi-fair, alright? Since you clearly are the newest here. Hey, this guy built his own PC at least. You wanna watch a Linus Sector's video in the meantime? This guy's like, will you be last place? So before the final challenger, do you think you will be last or do you think you will be second last? Like you've got a good odds of not being second last.
Be last. I should have gone first. Totally messed up. Completely messed up. Should have gone second or third.
Last person, how you feeling? You know, you feeling good?
Yeah,
Good. How old are you?
14.
As well? What's your name?
Daryl.
Alright, one word answers as well. Okay, so Daryl, how many PCs have you built before?
One.
And you didn't even build it completely yourself?
Yeah.
That's not looking too good then. But I have confidence in you and go! Fastest fingers, fastest fingers. Steady hands, steady hands. Next up is your 24-pin power. Apparently the only cables attached in his PC up to today. So he better not mess it up. Sweat dripping down his forehead. He intensely looks at his front panel connectors. 6 hardest, most important pins in his life. Not true. That's your bank account pin. I think it's time for you to call your lifeline in. He don't need you. Alright, tell him he's trash.
Suck ass.
Got this, Daryl. Come on. Woo! Jayo.
Yeah, you never pretty on point with the pronunciation. Jesus, he's quite fast.
Faster than me.
You're on track to not be last. You got the hard ones easily and you're fumbling the easy.
Hey, Siraj, show me your foot.
Siraj, activated, summoned to the scene. Siraj is choking. Siraj is choking. He's bottled it. Siraj gets the slide in. Hey, only one action. Your friend has to screw it in. You can't screw it in. Your panel's not even in properly. Look, latch is not hooked.
You are kidding.
Slide it back out. Slide it back out. Okay, I'll help you. Go in. Slide it in.
Yeah, in.
No, but the bottom's gotta be in too.
Stay in, stay in.
You wanna just take your time with the last screw and set a 14-minute ultimate slowest record. Let me just do a little inspection to see if anything's wrong. Yeah, you didn't have to use the lifeline like that, but you fumbled. You were so close to not being last, but you fumbled with the most basic thing, and that is the side panel. Post-game interview, how do you feel?
I feel so proud, I think.
You're proud? Okay, that's great, that's great. Proud? What do you think was the hardest, really, the biggest thing that you didn't expect it to be like that hard?
The front panel.
The front panel connectors?
Yeah.
Where do you think you could have been fast?
Side panel.
I love these one-word, two-word answers. Really entertaining. Alright, enough of this guy. So your time was solid, I don't know, I think it was 13:50, 13:40. I didn't even record the time because it was conclusively last place. So, unfortunately, Daryl, you go home empty-handed with a gaming mouse in your hand because everybody is winning something. Let's go. Let's talk about the winner. So because you're last place, you get a Victor EM901 from Dare You. It's a gaming mouse. That's it. It's got an ATG 1490 sensor. I've never used it before. The gaming mouse. What mouse do you have currently?
Random China wireless Iron Man mouse.
This is an upgrade. This is no question. This has RGB. It's probably much faster and probably the sensor is
$8
decent.
on Shopee.
$8 on Shopee. So thank you, Daryl, for participating. I'm happy that you're happy. Okay. Let's welcome the 4th place, and that is Andrea. Andrea? Frankly, you didn't really need to fight for the first place in this because you have a 12700K. Truthfully, the 4th place prize is gonna be much better for you than the 1st place prize. Let's be honest here, okay? So, for coming in 4th place with a whoppingly exciting timing of 12 minutes 40 seconds, you get a Daewoo EK861. Just decent. It's a nice keyboard, it's wireless, 60%. I don't know if this got blue switches or this has red switches. So yeah, they all have red switches. So it won't be too noisy. Pro tip, if you want to hide the keyboard noise so your mother doesn't know when you're gaming, some O-rings. So yeah, congratulations. How do you feel about it?
I feel quite good about it, but I feel like I totally messed up the build. Could have done way better.
Yeah, I guess. But you're young. You can improve.
Yeah, true.
Second build ever, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Alright, thank you for participating.
Thank you. Thank you.
Any last words?
Subscribe.
Coming in 3rd place is Mr. 1.5 hour late. So really your last place because I need to add 1.5 hour to your time. Siraj. 9 minutes and 29 seconds, about there. I mean, conclusively 3rd place. Yeah. Unfortunately, you don't get a better gift than him. It's another EK861, but you don't need a better gift. It's also a mechanical keyboard. Come on. So how do you feel?
I mean, I could have definitely done better, but this is quite a good prize. I'm really proud of what I've done, and thank you for inviting me out.
Any last words?
Subscribe and...
Are you a Hamilton fan or Max Verstappen fan?
A Max Verstappen fan.
Okay, good. If not, I'll get this capped
So
it from you.
since 2013.
Thank you for participating. Thank you for coming all the way from Tampines, taking an hour and stuff. Do you enjoy it?
Yeah, I did. Thank you very much.
Stressful, huh?
Slightly.
Everybody clap. Okay.
Thank you very much.
We need 2nd place to take the stage. Mr. Almost had it.
Almost had it.
Almost had it. You almost got your best friend the CPU he wants. The Ryzen 5600G. The CPU he needs. But unfortunately, couldn't happen. But he is the only one to give me a Christmas present, so he's the best viewer of the day. You win the viewer of the day. Unfortunately, no better price than the previous price. It's also an EK861. There's nothing wrong with the EK621. How do you feel?
Quite happy, actually. Even though I didn't get the CPU, at least I got to walk away with a keyboard. So no losses here.
No losses. It's all wins. So would you say it's worth it to take part in this challenge?
Yeah, do come down.
And where do you get the updates for these challenges?
Check out ZXTech, follow his Discord,
Yes.
follow his Instagram, just follow on social media.
Thank you.
One link, why don't you follow?
Yeah, just like an OnlyFans girl. Congratulations. Thanks for coming down. Hope you enjoy this.
I did.
Next time build PCs better, but you just couldn't beat the 1st place. Look, the 1st place guy came in sandals. He's cosplaying Linus. And that is the next guy, which is Ayman. Everybody put your hands together. Number 1. CPU upgrade. When you came here today or when you woke up today, did you think you were going home with a AMD 5600G?
Honestly, no. But after seeing all the competitors, it gives me more like motivation after the first 2. So yeah.
Yeah, you saw you had that chance.
Yeah.
You are one of the 2 people to bring your screwdriver along. Guess it was worth it. You want to show people the winning screwdriver?
The winning screwdriver and magnetized by the one and only magnetizer.
He brought a 70-bit iFixit kit and lost. Alright, let's touch tips. What's your current CPU? 1700, right? Gonna upgrade it?
Yep.
Okay. Good choice. Less cores, but more single core. I mean, you're gaming, right? All you do.
I'm mostly gaming, doing a bit of video editing at the side, so yeah.
Yeah, okay. And your GPU is from a brand that we shouldn't talk about, right?
It's a 1070 from...
It's a brand we shouldn't talk about, eh? Get an AMD GPU. 5600G. It is now officially yours.
Thank you. It feels good that I've won something and I got 1st place, so I got the new Ryzen. Yeah.
Sweet taste of success. Are you proud of yourself?
I'm actually quite proud of myself. I beat my personal best and yeah, what more can I ask?
Alright, that's great. Okay, so long as you're happy, good vibes all around. And thank you so much for participating. Thank you much for joining, coming all the way down. And thank you to all the participants as well. I hope you all had fun. They're all busy admiring their new keyboards. So they definitely did have fun. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Any last words?
Subscribe to all his channel.
Well guys, that is it for this video. It was so damn fun shooting with y'all. It was so damn fun hosting an event, an in-person event. And in fact, the whole SimLim Square video that I just shot with this entire PC challenge was so inspiring for me that I left that place thinking, well, I don't want to make the old videos that I've been making anymore. And that's where I gotta make this announcement and say that the style and the type of content this channel is about to see, is about to experience, is going to change drastic. Number 1, it's not gonna be only tech related. And number 2, it's going to be a lot more fun from now on. I promise you. So stay tuned for that. Let's go! See you around.